got this idea. This idea came from Tracy and Jimmy Diresta. Their book, I Make, has this cute little workshop tutorial in the back of it where your kids can assemble a workshop of their own. Tracy actually did a tutorial video where she constructed one and showed you kind of how she did it. And I'm gonna link to both the book and the video of Tracy's below. So that gave me an idea. I thought, I kind of want to do this too, but I want to be super extra about it. Like way over the top. So I thought, I'm gonna get a crap ton of popsicle sticks and I'm actually gonna trim the ends off of them, make them look like dimensioned lumber. Yeah, I'm gonna build a workshop. So I've got an idea in my mind. I was up at 4 this morning doing maths, you know, Pythagorean's theorem. Apparently can't say that. Because this thing's gonna have studs, trusses. I got popsicle sticks. Actually, I've got a lot of popsicle sticks. There's like 2,000 popsicle sticks. Let's do this. I feel like it's probably cleaner to sand them, but I don't want to. I don't want to. Now I just have to make the other 2 sides. Basically gonna look a lot like this. I'm gonna do that thing where I pop back up and I suddenly have 2 done. So to save you a bunch of, you know, repetitive action. You're freaking welcome. Now it's time to build the roof trusses, but the math that I already did is now defunct because I changed my dimensions. So now I have to do math again. Honest to God, it really looks like a drunk spider lives here. Look at it. Look at it. Next up, I kind of want to add a little bit of curb appeal. I turn deep and this into this. I have no idea what to do with it. So if you guys have some suggestions. Yeah, I'm really, I think the part that I'm the most pumped about is this garage door. Look at that. I mean, it opens up, it closes. I want to do that thing where I show you all the cool shots of it. So roll that beautiful bean footage.